Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's open it up. See what's inside. The box here. CHUNGUARD. It's a work boots. It's steel toe edge. Not much here. It says oil resistant here. Laces. Yeah. That's what the shoe looks like. I mean, the other shoes didn't look the same. There it is. If you're interested in these work boots, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.